We barely made it home. We were literally like an inch from flooding the vehicle out.
Good morning.
Good morning. Caroline, you want to say good morning?
My first class of the day today is going to be art class.
This is your first time at art.
What's wrong?
The thing I've been wanting forever is gone.
Oh my goodness. Whatever will we do?
But there is Star Lily.
Yeah, you already have Star Lily.
Yeah, you got her from Toys R Us?
No, we got her off of Amazon.
Oh. You picked her up?
Nope, we ordered her and she came in the mail.
Pretty. I love that one. This is a cute jaguar.
That's a jaguar? It looks like a bear.
That is a jaguar.
I don't think so.
That is. Oh, no. But, you know what our name is? You know what our nickname is Bears? Because it rhymes with spear.
Oh, is that so?
So,
It's not our nickname, our last name.
yeah. Well, these big dogs are so big, Carolyn would love those. I've been needing one of these Barbies. Mom,
You've been needing a Barbie, huh?
I've been saying I want a Barbie. Carolyn's been wanting this one.
Really?
She did. I have this one.
Okay.
We better get it for her birthday.
Maybe so.
Camper I've been looking for. That camper. Too bad I can't get it.
Not today. So many decisions. You can put them on your backpack.
Yeah.
So cool.
Let's get this. Hey, Mom.
Let's do this. Wait for me.
Thumbs up.
Awesome.
I've been thinking of my day. Wow! Wait, I'm gonna open this. And so you how, and then you can collect.
Oh my goodness, there's a bunch, aren't there?
So we're back at Maggie's school. It seems like I've spent most of this week in line. It's been a long week, kind of tiring. I think we're getting the hang of things. We've figured out our times for getting up and all of that, and my schedule. I'm trying to get things back kind of in a schedule at home as well, taking care of what I need to take care of each day. It is an adjustment, but it feels like we're starting to get into the swing of things. Ellie, you got to play with her Shopkins. And I think when I pick up the girls, if it's not raining, which it doesn't look like it's going to rain, but the weather's been a little unpredictable this week, I think we're going to run and clean the van, and then I'm going to surprise the girls and take them for snow cones. So we made it to the snow cone stand, and what did I tell you? This Texas weather is so unpredictable. The wind is blowing.
It's there and then
The sky's dark. It's going to rain. It's thundering
we got
behind
snow
us,
cones,
but we
so
got
we good.
snow cones.
I have a bag of Takis, a little bag of Takis here. With a wedding cake.
Wedding cake, snow cone, and Takis. Well, nice. So they have this little boat, or not little, it's a big boat that the kids can play in. It's kind of like a playground. Today the line's actually not bad. I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder in the background.
I'm the captain of this. Hurry! Hurry! I'm the captain of this ship. Hurry! I mean, this vessel.
She's the statue on the front of the ship. Funny. Oh, Ellie's swimming. Oh man, you had to hold your breath for such a long time.
Yeah, I had to swim away because our boat is sinking.
Look at me when you talk.
Our boat is sinking.
Oh my goodness. So this is blackberry and cake batter with cream. It's like blackberry cobbler and a snow cone.
I love
And Caroline got her spicy Cheetos that she was craving.
I got Takis and wedding cake. Snow cone.
And Ellie got a watermelon snow cone.
We're having to turn around because the main street that we live on is like flooding. I mean, it just started raining 20 minutes ago and it's flooding, and so we're having to turn around and go the back way. I sound funny because my tongue is frozen from my snow cone.
What?
Fine, it's crazy. Oh my goodness, I'm having to like really move because I don't want my van to die. Oh my goodness.
Come on, we're paying for
This is crazy!
Our neighborhood never gets this bad. It's
No.
not usually this bad.
Like, we're usually the higher part. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to move fast because I can't stop in this water. And you, golly, that's wild.
That's awesome. I mean, it's funny, but like, if we get stuck in this, it's not gonna be fun.
Well, we're not going to get stuck. I'm not taking any chances, but I'm hurrying because I got to get home before it's like too deep. Another 5 minutes, we won't be able to get home.
Or it gets to a tornado.
It doesn't look like it would be
Maggie.
Oh my word, y'all. This is not normal.
Oh, I'm having to hurry. Oh my goodness.
This is not normal. Our road never does this.
Hurry.
Never.
Or it goes into a tornado. Hurry, Mama.
Oh, I'm trying.
Mama, look, it's getting taller.
Oh my word, I'm having to really hurry. Oh God, please don't let my van flood out. Lord, please don't let my van flood out. Oh my word.
Look at this. This is crazy, y'all.
Oh my goodness.
And
we're home.
Barely made it home.
this is the biggest bike ever I seen.
We barely made it home. We were literally like an inch from flooding the vehicle out, and I didn't even realize it was that deep. And so then I just had to keep moving or it would have flooded out. That is crazy. I'm going to let her sit here and let my van run for a little bit before we turn it off. I'm kind of freaked out right now.
I want to go play in it.
Out.
Me and
I
Ellie.
can't play in it because there's lightning.
Me and Ellie want to go play in it.
I bet y'all do. Oh my word, I feel sick. I'm totally freaked
I
out.
want to go look at the. Can I go get out there and video?
Right here is where my vehicle flooded out.
Time for the BFAM man to take me to get some Mexican.
A company called Gringos.
That's funny.
Sore throat.
I'm sorry, Bug. Ellie's not feeling so great today.
I don't want to be sitting back here.
Well, guess what? We all take our turns. Except for me. I always get to sit in the front. That's the privilege of being the mom.
And you always get to sit right here or there.
Yep. That's what happens when you're the boss. One day when you're the mom, you'll get to sit in the front seat all the time.
One day when I'm the mom, I'm gonna let my kids. I'm gonna
Oh,
let
let's please say this and
Yes.
speak in the mic.
my kid that gets in the car first and sits in this seat first will get to sit there. They will not. The other kid will not be able to sit there because that's not fair. First of all,
What?
the
Wait.
first kid
Wait.
sat there first, and second of all, that
What
is
if you
not
only
fair
have
to
one kid?
the first kid that's sitting there.
Whatever.
Maggie, we've got it on recording and it's going to be on the internets for all the world. So when
You know who's my
So, the interwebs. When your children come along and you've decided that you don't feel that way anymore, it's going to be very interesting.
I assure you, I will show them. Hey, look what your mom said.
I don't know about you, but I'm really enjoying this whole vlogging thing because
Torture a
it's,
teenager.
Well, and the vlogging thing, because it's going to be so much fun as they get older to look back and remind them of all the wonderful things they said.
Oh, and any opportunity to torture them and make it worth their while, then yes.
Yes,
definitely.
it's awesome.
That right there to me is worth it all.
It makes parenting just,
Well, when they said you have kids, nobody ever told me you would have a teenager you thoroughly enjoy
torturing.
torturing and embarrassing, and it's awesome. It really is. It makes my heart go, yes.
What a privilege, right?
Mommy.
You should get something in return for all the torture.
Mommy.
Well, was that like the best dinner ever?
No.
For real?
Yeah.
Ellie's feeling kind of yuck. She said that her throat hurts and she's achy.
I'm angry
Thank the Lord it's Friday and we can go home and rest. Hobo. Hey, buddy. He is so afraid of this camera. It's so funny. Are you so glad we're home? Oh, today is National Doggy Day. And we love our Hobo boy. So we had a good Friday. We got snow cones. We ate dinner together. Maggie finished all of her homework and I worked on the next vlog a little bit. And we're out. It's been a long week. Carolyn's asleep on the couch and her daddy's going to carry her upstairs. But we are closing out the vlog and we will check in with you guys tomorrow.